Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty Soap Kitchen. Gotta grab gloves here. And again, I'm gonna say before we get started, my upper respiratory infection has turned into bronchitis, so my breathing is still a little bit funky. My apologies. I am on antibiotics and a steroid, so hopefully it gets better soon. The weather change in Michigan in the springtime is just ridiculous. So that's what's causing it. So, all right. We are making, this is my raw recipe. We're making one of my favorite scents ever for men. This is a dupe of Ralph Lauren's Polo. And I gotta tell y'all, my husband smells amazing in Polo. I think this is my favorite men's cologne ever. Pretty much anything made by Ralph Lauren is just amazing. And Giorgio Armani's stuff is fantastic too. Okay, so in my bucket I have my oils, I have my heavy cream, and I have my honey, because we're not using sugar. I've said it before that we're ramping up for the honey festival. So I have raw honey in here, and in my lye water there is distilled water, sodium hydroxide, and salt. Oh, did I say what the name of the soap was? I don't think so. This this soap is inspired by the song Womanizer by Britney Spears. So, okay. Let's get this to almost emulsification, and I'll put my yogurt in. Alright, let's put our yogurt in. And again, from now on, we'll be using yogurt that I made. Look how thick that is, you guys. It's fantastic. I love making my own yogurt. Okay. Let's get this yogurt in there. This is a repeat for me, but it is a new one for you. And I like to make this soap the colors of the bottle that Polo comes in. I can put a picture up so if you haven't seen what the bottle looks like. So I'm not sure what green it's going to take to get the green part of it, but I'm obviously going to be using gold, and the gold I've chosen is Gold Coast Holiday. It's going to put a small swirl in there, and I may it may take me a minute to get the right green combination. I'm gonna start with some emerald green and put some evergreen in there to darken it up and see what that looks like. I haven't used my emerald green in a long time, and if I have to, I pulled out my Granny Smith green in case, you know, I needed to lighten it up some. Put a little bit of evergreen in there, and let's see what color that gives us. I'm going to leave everything out. Oh, that's better. Yeah, that's better. I don't want to stick blend too much. So we'll go with that. I probably could give it a little bit of a yellowish tone, but whatever. They're going to get the idea. I'm going to get the idea, so hopefully everybody else gets the idea. Then again, I know what the bottle looks like because my husband always has a bottle of it on his dresser. That and Polo Black. Oh, my husband smells so good in Polo Black. Okay, let me mix my gold really quick because I'm only going to put the fragrance in the main batch. If I remember correctly, this fragrance does not race and it does not speed up trace. If my memory, if my memory is correct, wow, I'm having problems with English tonight, guys. Oh, you know what? I didn't turn off my light. Oh, did I just break that? Oh no, that was a spoon. Whew, thought I just broke that. Yep, no racing. I'm going to go turn off my overhead light really quick. I forgot to do that so you guys could see a little bit better. Okay. I'm going to bring my mold in here. And bring you guys in a little bit closer without like completely making it ridiculous. Okay. So we're going to pour some green in. And this is just going to be a little bit more. A simple drop swirl. I may swirl it with a chopstick. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. It's a different design than last time because last time I put it in a round mold. And that was a huge mistake. I shouldn't have done that. I definitely didn't like it in the round mold. Well, I just got soap all over the handle of my spatula there. Oh, I love the way this gold shimmers and shines like the beautiful cap on that bottle. Okay. Oop. And let's get my washcloth. Oh, my washcloth isn't wet, y'all. Okay. And a little bit more. Well, I was going to put mica on the top of that, but I don't think I'm going to have to. Oh, maybe a little. My husband's upstairs watching Gladiator, and now all I have in my head is, are you not entertained? I love the movie Gladiator. It's one of my favorites with Russell Crowe and Joaquin Phoenix, like even separately, because I love both those actors. And to have them together was like awesomeness for a big, huge movie fan like myself. Okay, I'm gonna bang that. All right, let me grab a pipette. There's one in there. Okay. And I'm gonna have to stir this. I didn't stir it before we came on. Stir, stir, come on. This is Gold Coast Holiday, and it is mixed with olive oil. I keep my micas mixed with oil in these little bottles. Ooh! I just dropped the cap on the floor, but it has a cap, so I can refill them and that kind of thing. They come 3 in a pack at the dollar store, and I get them really readily because my daughter works there. I think there's a hole in my pipette somewhere, and it's not working very well. All right. Okay, well, this is going to have to go over there because I'm going to have to wash that cap now that it fell on the floor. All right. You know what? I want a bigger swirl than that. Let me grab one of my stainless steel chopsticks. So, do I just want to go down one way and then up the other way? I think that's what I'm going to do. Whoop. Boop, boop, ba-doo. Boop, boop, ba-doo. I'm in such a great mood. I've been in such a great mood lately, you guys, which is a good thing. Okay, I'm going to bang it one more time and spray this bad boy with alcohol. And then, oh, that was a quick soap. So I'm going to wait 18 to 24 hours to cut this, and I will see y'all then. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. We are back to cut Womanizer. I've been waiting to cut this for so long now. I'm so excited to see how she turned out, or should I say he turned out. I love this fragrance so much. I know I already said it before. My husband was so funny. He says, "Do I get a bar?" Well, of course you do. Oh, wow. Look at that. And I got to show you this. Hopefully I'm not going to create too much shadow for you. Look at how beautiful that is. So freaking gorgeous. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to take pictures of this. Oh, the color was perfect. Oh, yes. I'm telling you, Ralph Lauren makes some gorgeous colognes, y'all. Ooh, get my hand out of there. Very pleased with how the top turned out as well. Very, very pleased. So, trying to think of what's been going on other than I've been so super stinking busy trying to get ready for the farmer's market. Plus, my niece now lives what we call here in Detroit, well, Metro Detroit, we call it downriver, which means she lives about 30 miles south of Detroit. And, you know, it's like the Taylor area, Flat Rock area, Garden City kind of area. And there's a whole bunch of shows out there that she is going to be doing. So like with whipped soap and emulsified sugar scrubs and lotions and all of, you know, that stuff. You know, with some of our soaps, I have to remake them because there's just not enough for us to take and for her to take. So, but I'm really, really excited about the opportunity to spread our wings to a different area of the state. And I am also very excited because my daughter got news today that we might have a wholesale count out in California. So I'm excited about that too. We've had a really good few weeks, other than me being so like stupid busy. You know, because I'm pretty much primarily the one that makes everything. And Amanda comes over when she can help. I wasn't able to make anything this weekend because my grandbabies were over. And then on Thursday, she's going to help me 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, that's what I thought. Boy, we're going to have a nice sample piece here. She's going to come over and help me make some of the whipped soaps. I'll probably just make her whipped soap first. So that way, because she's going to come and get inventory from the showroom to take down there with her. So, hold on one second, guys. Yeah, so that way she doesn't have to come back up here for, you know, no apparent reason other than to just get inventory. This needs to be sliced in half. I wonder if I can do this magically. Okay, good enough. Mr. J, stop scratching. My cat is over there scratching on the wall again. Alright, guys. I so much appreciate you guys, as always. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye-bye.